All right, we're gonna do Mega Box 1819 Prizm for AlleyOop3000. Good luck, Randy. Come on, LeBron, Pink Ice. I have maybe 4 more of these left, and then I am out. If anybody's interested. All right, good luck, Randy. All right, we got Amari Spellman, Trae Young, Silver, Rudy Gay, Patrick Ewing, Anthony Simons, DeAndre Ayton, and Billy Preston, Silver rookie, Kevin Knox, Dwayne Wade, Robert Williams, Mikal Bridges, and Anthony Simons, 2 silvers. Marvin Bagley and Russell Westbrook. All right, here's your pinks. Oh, look at that, Ben Simmons right there. Boom, million bucks right there. All right, so let's see how many rookies you got. 1, 2 rookies. All right, T.J. Warren, Trae Young. There you go. Pink Ice. Shaquille O'Neal, J.R. Smith, Drew Holiday, and Jerome Robinson. Dennis Johnson, Alec Burks, DeJounte Murray, and Ben Simmons. All right, not bad. Thanks again. Peace.